I got me some magic RGB lights in today. This is a 2-pack. There's supposed to be a multicolor mode, noise suppression filtering, automobile. I guess you could put these in your car. Party and outdoor activities. It's supposed to kind of sync with your music too. Let's get them opened up and check them out here. Come with the little stands. That's kind of cool. You can set them upright. A remote control. That is nice. Don't have to get up and change it. We have our lights right here too. Looks like it comes with a little product description. And easy to install, multiple scene modes. Ambient lighting has 4 natural scenes. Each mode displays different colors and light effects to meet your different daily lighting demands. Even more cool when we get these things actually plugged in and working. Looks like they're going to work off of a USB port, so you can plug these into your computer, your laptop, or just a block, that you charge your phone with. So we're going to get this unwired here. Get that twisty off of there. Get this kind of opened up. Looks like you can spread these out a pretty good ways. So, well, that's further than you can see. Well, it's about arm length. Oh, okay. You can put them this way or this way. You'll notice it has little slots right there on the side and down there. You could put them like that or like that. Just however you can't even see that. Can you see that? Let me hold them up. So you can do it this way or this way. I'm gonna get my battery pack over here, and we're gonna plug it in and check them out. Got my little battery pack here. We can plug that in. And we got lights. Oh, we got lights, don't we? Oh, I didn't even see them. That's cool. They look yellow on my camera there, but they're red. I don't know. Let me kill these lights up here and see if that makes these look different. Well, you can kind of tell they're more red. Let me see if I can turn that light off. There we go. They kind of look orange, but they're red. We'll just leave that one light on. That's good enough. Get our remote control out here. Has a little plastic sleeve to keep the battery from draining. We'll pull that out. There we go. You can see that. We have our on and off buttons, red and green and blue, and the different tones of those colors. Flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. Let's see what they do on those lights. Let's hit the blue, green. You can tell on the, yeah, you can kind of tell that's blue, green, and the red. Let's do the strobe. Kind of cool. Has a brightness button next to the on and off button up here. Okay, we got it turned down. I'm going to fade and smooth. Looks like it kind of transitions into different colors. And the flash, that's kind of like the old disco flashing. And of course we have the white. That's the dim as it gets, and this will be as bright as it gets. It'll flash when you get to as bright as you can get. It's kind of a pink color, turquoise color, kind of a orangey color there. But I like the blue, but that's just me. Now it's supposed to sync with your music. Okay, well, we see what they look like. Let's go see what they look like sitting behind the TV. All right, we have the blue lights there, and green, and red. Kind of changing there. That is the flash. There's the fade. These work perfect for like some accent lighting. You can see them right there. You turn them off and you definitely tell that they're there. It's just kind of a little bit of accent lighting is what I like it for. So that's going to work perfect for what I want to use it for. I know you can't see me, but I'm here. I give it a thumbs up if you can see that. I like them. And by the way, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you make through my links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.